In commercial and industrial buildings, a fire protection system is a critical requirement to ensure life safety and property protection. This system is typically designed by a duly licensed mechanical engineer in accordance with applicable fire codes and standards. The piping system is commonly made of galvanized iron pipes or, in some cases, high-grade PPR pipes, depending on the design and application. These pipes are connected throughout the building to distribute fire-suppressing agents. There are different types of fire protection systems. A. Wet pipe system. Pipes are constantly filled with pressurized water. B. Dry pipe system. Pipes are filled with pressurized air, and water is released when triggered. C. Chemical systems. Use dry chemicals instead of water, typically for special hazards. The branch lines are the smaller pipes connected to the main lines, where sprinkler heads are installed. Each sprinkler head is equipped with a heat-sensitive element, usually a glass bulb or fusible link.
That girl is a runner, she was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway.
When the surrounding temperature reaches a specific level, this element breaks, not explodes, allowing the sprinkler head to open.
But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
Once activated, the pressure inside the piping system forces water, or another extinguishing agent, to discharge immediately over the fire-affected area, helping to control or extinguish the fire.
The second grade, the first step she'd ever take, the first
You know I'm working. You know Mix Missy, Erica, Incense, and Prince, product, joy, magic, and muscle. Van McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Circle small as pinky rings. My people play their position. Puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer Bunny non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working, We've been working, We've been working, Yeah, we've been working, Yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to the stars. Took our fears out to the forest. Then we left them out to ride. Dragged them to the desert. Let the vultures pick them dry. Sent our secrets to the sky. Sent our secrets to the sky.